Hey guys, Digital David here. Today I'm excited to be unboxing and reviewing for you some more LANMU products. This is the LANMU, it's an audio adapter 3-pack. It has a right angle. So it's a 3.5mm for your audio at a right angle, which is pretty sweet. 3-pack, you can buy it on Amazon. Links in my video description below. Go ahead, check it out. I've also reviewed other products on my channel that will be in the cards in this video. So here's how it comes packaged to you. Really nice, really cool. Just retail packaging, nothing special. It'll come in an Amazon envelope. They got good branding to show their logo and brand right there, which is cool. On the back, it's got a couple different languages, but the language I can read is obviously English. It says it's a 3.5mm gold male to female plug, supports microphone and wire control. The gold-plated jack ensures no sound quality loss. It's got an extremely flexible 90-degree design to experience the convenience of having that. So if you need something with a unique angle that you can't plug into and you need that 90, here it is. So it says wide use for phones, headphones, iPads, computers, speakers, MP3, and cars. So can't hurt to have a 3-pack of these lying around if you ever need them. We'll go ahead now, open it up, and look at the products in more detail. All right, took a sec to get them open. Really cool, really nice plastic on here. Nice gold plated, gold tipped ends like they say in the backing of the product. But looks really cool. Got that perfect 90-degree angle for you. See if you can see that, which is nice. It's got a angled side right here, which is great too, just so it can be that much more space saving for you. Again, you can just plug the 3.5mm audio jack in right there and the other end into your device, and you are all good to go. So really straightforward, really cool product. 3-pack, very affordable on Amazon. LANMU is the brand. Not going to break your budget. Very happy with the build. Look forward to seeing you guys in my next video. Hit the like, comment, share button, and see you soon.